Kila Bhuvan ka naam mein Bhuvan, our plan is there is
only for boys.
TT now, girls
Student
TT
sikli na?
C+. वो नाम चेंज करेगा वो हमारा इधर में कॉलेज है पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज प्राइवेट पैरामेडिकल कॉलेज एंड ऑल्सो 12 स्कूल CBSE और CBSE वाला बहुत स्टूडेंट है रहने का जगह नहीं भाड़ा देना वाला इतना हाउस ओनर लैंड लॉर्ड भी नहीं सो इसीलिए हम बनाए और गार्जियन ऑल्सो कम टू सी देयर चिल्ड्रन दे कैन नॉट गो बैक they have to pay double the bus fare, hiring charges for going on the school. They can stay here. So for that multi-purpose, we are building up.
So all e-rickshaws.
Our they are paying nominal charges banks.
How much are they paying?
They are paying nominal 2,000 something only because the service rent and service to the customer. Who contractor? Hey, engineer, stop take care of. Come now, Duro. Hey, Prabhat. No problem. Contractor में बोला है.
ये कितना फ्लोर है? 1 floor.
No. First, second floor to home.
और what is the date of completion?
Date of completion is still much more.
Next year.
18 months दाम दिया. वो 8 months हो गया और वो लगभग 1 year. It is still he is taking up under pressure. It will be completed because it is under close supervision. Every day I am coming and seeing.
Okay. Who is the contractor? What's his name? The contractor?
वो एग्जीक्यूटिव तो मालूम होगा. It can be renamed. In any name because
How many bedded? So which is the women?
200.
Which is the women and which is the men?
young woman होगा या लड़का होगा. As per convenient. At the time it will be decided. When inaugurated?
No, but have we got the plan for this?
Yeah.
Come quick.
We have all planned. Hey! There was earlier degree college.
What happened?
Now it is paramedical private college. We can only mere high school. We can give vacation.
This one?
Yeah. So many infrastructure there. ওই বাংলাদেশ সব সবাই কেমন তার মানে তার মধ্যেও সাপ্লাই নি মানে বড় দাও বুঝিনা concerned department did not bill up, I bill up. From the different department contribution. Just for stopping. No, idea. हम लोग की
मास्क खुलिरहेको छागा तागा
So that engineer is still lagging behind. Please line. ऐसी है और सब कुछ नया है due to non-use become dirty.
And this shop?
These are all the unemployed. That is the nominal.
But have you
Nominal.
have you allocated? Have you allocated?
We have allocated 3 months में डेट दुकान खुला नहीं 2.5 months रुपया not is coming. So after that I will give back the money. So you are booked to for this you are not operational. I will give new passport. None of the unemployed people they have opened. One is big children from outside taken.
और हमारा सिंडिकेट वाला कहाँ गया?